How to make another Monopoly Go account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make another Monopoly Go account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To make another Monopoly Go account, you don't have to use the same email address, you can use a separate email address. So open the Monopoly Go game, tap the three lines option, go to settings option here, and then just go to manage account. Then you can try to switch the accounts, right? So first of all, you can disconnect out of your current account. Now once you've disconnected, all you have to do is look for an option to create a new account after you sign out. Then when you try to create a new account, you'll basically be able to create a new account using the new email address or user ID. This way you should be able to create another account in Monopoly Go. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.